Hi, everybody. Welcome. You've been hearing a lot of people talking about how they're making all this money with affiliate marketing. Well, I'm here to break it down to you so that you can understand exactly why this is something that you might want to do if you're looking for a way to make some extra money on the side. Okay? So let's get into it. Before I get started, please like, share so other people can hear this information too. Affiliate marketing just means that you have somebody else's product. You get a website link for that product, and when you share that link with other people and they purchase whatever is in that link, you get a commission. So you don't have to buy a product, you don't have to sell a product. All you're doing is sharing the information with others. If they like it, they purchase it. If they don't, they don't. It's that simple. You don't have to worry about creating a product. You don't have to worry about hoarding inventory. You don't have to worry about shipping and handling. Everything is digital. So when you share that link and others sign up or purchase, that's when you get your commission. But here's the secret. Sharing that link doesn't guarantee that people are going to just buy it. You have to know some strategies. You have to learn how to attract people to the link. There are three types of marketing that you need to know about. One is content marketing, where you create videos that you see, that you scroll through on all the social media platforms. You see that's creating that content. Then you have email marketing, and that's the marketing that you get when you send emails out to get to know your customers, nurture them. So when you sign up for like Best Bath and Body Works, and when you check out, they say, "Can I have your email, please?" And what do? They send you emails about the latest product sales, products, all the things. So they're out of sight, out of mind. So hey, if they pop up here and there in the email, you'd be like, "Oh yeah, they got a sale coming up," or "Oh yeah, I forgot I wanted to go back and get that." So that's why you have email marketing, to nurture and build a relationship with people that want what you have. And the best thing about email marketing is you get to keep those emails. So you have them forever. The people that gave you those emails, they're okay with receiving emails from you. So you'll always have them. Even if all of the social media platforms, something happened and something you don't have it anymore, you still have their emails to keep in touch with them because you built in that relationship. And the third is social media marketing. We love social media marketing because that's free. Free marketing. You know, when you see the Super Bowl and those halftime commercials everybody runs to, they pay millions of dollars to put those commercials out. We can create our own little commercials, like technically what I'm doing right now, and talk to my people and tell them what I have. And if they resonate with what I have going on, they can relate to my story, they can relate to my product, then I have someone that's probably going to purchase what I have because I'm building trust, and you're going to start to like me, and you're getting to know me, because the more I show up, the more you know me, the more you're going to love me, and the more I can come and talk to you about all of the tips and tricks that I know, so that you can go to the next level and learn how you can make money online also. So currently I am doing an affiliate marketing product right now. It is a $10 membership club. This affiliate marketing is unlike any other affiliate marketing that I have ever done. I've done a lot in my past. I have done everything under the sun. And this one right here is nothing like anything I've ever seen. This is a new strategy that they have put together, and I am loving it, and I know you will too. You pay $50 initially, and that's just to get your affiliate link. Remember the link I told you have to share so that people can sign up and you get a commission? Well, that's the link you'll get. It's a whole website with your name on it. It has all the products inside. It has everything that you need to just get up and running. Once you get that link and you share it with others, you get $25 for each person that comes in with you. I call them my business partners because we work together when we come into this program. This is my business. So we're business partners. When you come on with me, I'm going to teach you everything that I know so that you can learn how to attract the people to this link so that they also want it too. Okay? That's my goal. So you're not in this alone. Once you sign up, you have me to mentor. So this is the best part. Not only do I get $25 to every person that I bring in, But whoever they bring in, as far as all the people that they may know and they may sign up, I'm going to make a commission off of all of them. Every time they sign somebody up, they're going to get their cut. I'm going to get their cut too. We all are winning. I like to call it like profit sharing. Like we all, as much as if we all bring in a lot of people, we can all make money off of each other. So that's why I like this affiliate product, because we don't normally, you have a commission, that's it. With here, it's like an ongoing commission. Like it never goes away. That's why I like this a lot. On top of getting 50% of whatever they bring in, we get paid weekly and monthly. That is a beauty. I love when Thursdays come. I love it. It is nothing like I've ever seen before. Now, I didn't tell you the best part. Even if you don't do anything, you will eventually start to see money coming in. But it could take years for you to see it. That's why when you come in with me, I want people that are seriously looking for ways to make extra income on the side. That's who I want. That means that you need to learn how to attract people to this link so that you can make just as much as I make and everybody else that's in here that's putting in the work to push these links out just to get people to sign up. It's just like having a Costco membership. You have a Costco membership, and if you would have told everybody about Costco, and Costco gave you $25 for every person, and then 50% of whatever those people that told people, whatever they made, can you imagine how much income we all will be bringing in? It is so simple. It's not hard. You just share a link that people already want. Outside of sharing a link and making commission, you get access to wholesale, high quality, 100% organic product. So you get so many perks. And let me tell you something. I purposely stopped sharing my link. I just started back. And you know why I started back? Because I am still getting paid on Thursdays and I have not been sharing my link. That's why I like this. I've never seen nothing like it before. I'm still getting paid for just the people that I have signed up with me so far. And I'm not gonna lie, a couple of people have stopped paying their $9.95 a month. Did I tell you that? Once you pay the $50 initial for your website, you just pay $9.95 a month for your membership. When everybody pays their $9.95 a month, that's when you get in your commission every month from their $9.95. So since I haven't been promoting this link, because they're paying their $9.95 a month, guess what? I am getting commission from all of them. I love it. This is not like anything else I've ever seen. This affiliate program is the best one I've ever had been a part of. And I want you to know about it. And I think you need to check it out, even if you don't think it looks good. It is. Trust me. Now, if you want to learn how to attract your perfect customer, you don't have to take any classes. You don't have to do, all you need to do is share a link with people that you know. And hey, just like you tell them about your favorite restaurant, your favorite movie, same deal. Hey guys, you want to sign up for this? Here's an opportunity for you. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. That's it. So if you need help with learning how to attract your perfect customer, I have a e-course, Digital Marketing Made Simple. That's a 3-hour audio-visual training that'll teach you everything you need to know to get started to selling your products, affiliate or physical or services. If you have a business, this information is what you need so that you can learn how to get more clientele coming to your business. It's for anybody. So if you want to know more information about that, I'm leaving everything down in the description. I'm looking forward to talking to you guys about more ways that you can make income online through digital marketing. I love you guys. I'm so glad you came to my channel. Topics that you want me to talk about, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to make a video about it. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Please follow, like, share, and come back and see me next time. Until then, bye.